What's up, YouTube? Alright, here today working on this York unit. This is what I changed the fan motor up here a while back. And a compressor in here. What we're having an issue with, as far as the heat is concerned, is right now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blinks. And when we look out, 9 flashes, ignition control locked out, ignition control failure, or a limit trip. So, I hope the blower motor's not bad. The filters were clean, so that was good, and I just changed them. So let's do a quick test on the blower motor, see if we can get that to run, and see if that's the issue. Alright guys, one of the ways we can check this, kind of easy, check the limit and the blower motor all in one fell swoop, is we've got one of our secondary limits here, which is a manual reset, and it's still good, but if we pull one of these wires, it should open it and start the motor. And it does. Alright. So we know the motor's working, and the limits are working, so move on to the next. We've got a coil, we've got no blinking light. So we'll check that out and get my stuff out, and we'll see how that goes. So right now I know there's a call for heat. So I can check my common W1, and I got 28 volts coming to the control. And I got nothing. So power coming to it, nothing coming out of it. Let's check the 24 volts standing power to it, and I got 28 volts. So I'm gonna call that control dead. Hopefully this valve isn't dead with it as well. Stupid smart valve. And we'll take it from there. Alright guys, I'll be back in a bit. Alright, got our new valve. Not our new valve, a new ignition control board. Pop it in here, unit's turned off, so we can just start changing that out. terrible. We're doing some maintenance here on this roof. They do have an issue with that ream unit far over there. So we'll check that one out, see what's going on with that. And right now we're changing all the filters and doing everything else up here. That's about it. I will catch you guys on the next one.